and the ape key appear. You know what? If the user wants to press A keys while the cursor's moving, they can. I don't care. Key left. Key left. What if pause is null? What if text is null? Do I want to allow that? I don't think so. I mean, I'm not certain. But this widget's taking up too much of our time, so we're gonna carry on. This is get char pressed. Deleted the wrong part. Very good. I think for anything else, I just want to add it to text. Kind of want to put it in a buffer. You know what? I'm actually going to do that. Oof. Okay, and then we're going to say the default case is buff I++ equals C. Although I think C is an integer. Yeah. Honestly, that could be a comment on the whole project, not just there. Does this even compile? No. All right. Yeah, get rid of that. Where am I using that? I'm using it here. cpos. And also just put it down here. No doubt. Yes, I need to redo the position stuff. Yeah. Okay. Previous declaration here, you are most correct. That's an ugly type signature. That is begging for a structure. I'm not sure why I'm opposed to it. It's kind of not. It's just kind of not really how Raylib works. But I think it should be a structure. Okay. Did it warn me about that? It didn't. That's not impressive. Yeah. I think before, if you press tab within the same frame as pressing another key, or enter, rather, it doesn't have to be tab. But if you do that within the same frame, I think that's just tough luck. How are we going to handle backspace? I don't know if it gives us that stuff as well. We'll find out. In fact, we will find out right here, I guess. Pressed. What's this one for? This is like tab, or is key pressed? Enter. Is it enter or return? Enter. And there's not a return, it's just enter. It is just enter. We can do that outside. We don't need to do that in here. If, do I still have it? Nope. If is key pressed, key enter, or is key pressed, key tab, we can make the region inactive. Up there. Yeah, backspaces are interesting. I don't really want to have to resize this twice. I'd prefer not to have to handle backspace in here and out here. That'd be kind of silly. Honestly, I think can I make this an else? Does that make sense? Are they fundamentally different? I think an else if is fundamentally different. So you've got the case where you're adding characters, the case where you're deleting a character, and then the case where you do nothing, you do nothing. I think that makes sense. I would like to handle home and I mean, not really, I don't care that much. It's fine. Nah, it's fine. So if I is greater than 0, let's do this. If I is greater than 0 and is key pressed, key backspace, I minus minus. Yeah. I think I'm okay with that. Okay, now here we want to realloc text to be, oh, I need the length of text. You. Yes. No, that's a good point. We have to do this after allocating, because the memory will change, so pos needs to change as well. I think I just want pos to be like, whoops, like a size T. I think that makes more sense. I don't know which I prefer. I think for this case it's that. I know for this case it's the other one, but anyway. We need to realloc text. And it needs to be that long, I guess. Yeah. Yes, good. This feels like it's getting dangerously close to being a function. What would I call it, and what would it do? Be like read into buffer or something like that. Yeah, read input, and then it would go into there. I think this will end up being a function. Is it going to be one right now, though? Am I ever going to do this again? Probably. I mean, maybe. It's a text input field. I may be literally only ever going to... Okay, we'll think about this later. Don't abstract from 0 use cases, right?